Hello all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can change the languages on a Range Rover Velar from 2019. I had some questioning about it and how to change the languages, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can do it for yourself. We have to change the language twice. One is for this area and second is for this area. Let's start with this one. First of all, press the wheel button over here, then go to this one, then the third one is the languages, system language. Press it, find the desired language, let's say English, this one, US, and as you can see when we go back, all the language has been set to English. The second one is this area, and in this area you're going to use this button over here. This has more functional. As you can see, the description on the button changes when we press it. Press it once, then scroll down to display. Once you're there, press the OK button, and as you can see, the language area appears. Scroll down, press to language, and find the desired language, let's say Dutch. Yes. Go back by pressing to the left, and as you can see, the language on the display has changed to the desired language. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it worked for you also. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.